Enabling two-factor authentication 2FA on your Rabobank account adds an extra layer of security to protect your financial information. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Log into your Rabobank account. Before changing your settings, use the #com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Once logged in, look for the settings or account settings option in the menu. Click on it, then find the security or two-factor authentication section. Step 3. Select two-factor authentication. In the security settings, locate the option for two-factor authentication. Click on it to begin the setup process. Step 4. Choose your authentication method. You will typically have options for receiving a verification code, such as via SMS, email, or an authentication app. Select your preferred method and follow the prompts to link it to your account. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After selecting your authentication method, you may need to enter a code sent to you for verification. Once confirmed, save your changes to activate two-factor authentication. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Rabobank account with two-factor authentication. Make sure to keep your authentication method secure and updated.